Is here in New York. Mark, what are the big takeaways from yesterday's marathon hearing?
Good morning, Anne Marie. So the four law professors who testified brought history lessons to the hearing with talk of American founding fathers and British monarchs. They were really there to interpret evidence compiled by the House Intelligence Committee. Here are some of the biggest takeaways. Four legal scholars brought a wealth of historical knowledge to the House Judiciary Committee's first hearing in the impeachment inquiry.
The framers, from the very outset of the Constitutional Convention in 1787, made it crystal clear that the president would be subject to impeachment.
Three witnesses invited by the Democrats testified that President Trump's attempts to pressure Ukraine are grounds for impeachment.
If what we're talking about is not impeachable, then nothing is impeachable.
Mr. Trump defended himself while at the NATO summit in London.
In this case, there was no crime whatsoever, not even a little tiny crime.
Democratic Chairman Jerry Nadler slammed the president for refusing to cooperate.
President Nixon produced dozens of recordings. In 1998, President Clinton physically gave his blood.
The lone Republican witness, CBS News contributor Jonathan Turley, argued Democrats have gotten ahead of themselves.
I get it. You're mad. The president's mad. It's wrong because this is not how you impeach an American president.
Republican lawmakers suggested the hearing was a waste of time.
You couldn't have possibly actually digested the Adam Schiff report from yesterday.
Stanford law professor Pamela Karlan took offense.
I read transcripts of every one of the witnesses who appeared in the live hearing because I would not speak about these things without reviewing the facts.
The Judiciary Committee is expected to hold more public hearings before potentially drafting articles of impeachment. So the president and his lawyers could issue a formal defense before lawmakers if they wanted. Committee Chairman Jerry Nadler has given the White House until Friday to decide whether to take part. Anne Marie?
All right, Mark Liverman in New York. Thank you so much, Mark.